camera on? Perfect. Hello YouTube, how you doing? It's Yoni from Emina's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to unbox a new camera, Sony ZV-E10 camera. And for YouTubers, especially if you're a new YouTuber and if you're looking for a camera for vlogging, live streaming, or also just like this, we highly recommend this camera. So if that's what you're looking for, we're gonna unbox the Sony ZV-E10 mirrorless camera. Alright, so enough talking. Let's get the camera and unbox it together. But before that, can I get a drum roll please? This is Sony ZV-E10 camera. We're so excited. Ooh. Okay. What do we have here? Alright, so we got the battery. The battery is NPFW50, yeah, 50. It has only one. I suggest to buy another one. Here we do have the wind screen or wind muff. I like to call it dead cat. So yeah, we have this one for the microphone, for the camera microphone. What else do we have? Of course, it has a strap. We have our charging cable. At the same time, we can also transfer a file from the camera to our computer. And of course, charging adapter. And here we go. The moment I've been waiting for. We have our camera. Ooh. Okay. I like it. So this is Sony ZV-E10 camera. It is a mirrorless camera. It has very lightweight, and it has also an interchangeable lenses. It has unlimited recording, and what I'm excited about is the articulating flip out screen. Look at this. Especially if you're alone, you don't need anybody. You don't have to ask any help. So you can do it alone because you can see while you're shooting your videos. And this Sony ZV-E10 mirrorless camera can shoot 4K videos up to 30 frames per second, and also it can shoot HD videos up to 120 frames per second, and also it can take a picture up to 24 megapixel. It has nice grip so that we can hold easily. I've seen videos that they say it's not high-end camera. Of course that's true. Yeah, it's a bit plasticky, but I like it. I really like it. So we have the lens here. Another thing that is exciting about this camera is it has a product showcase mode, so that whenever you review products and you come close to the camera, so that it can focus to the product that you are reviewing. The camera doesn't come with any memory card, and it has also only one battery, so I suggest for you guys to buy that. I actually bought 2 of this. Memory card. So this one is 128 gigabyte, and this one is 256 gigabyte. It has 100 megabyte per second on it. Some people probably use the onboard microphone that it comes with the camera, but I definitely recommend for you guys to buy a microphone. So we bought a Rode Video Micro 2. As you can see, we went to shop to buy the camera, but it was more expensive at the shop. So we ordered online from Hong Kong. I will put the price list here on the screen. And if you want to, you can only buy the body. It is actually cheaper. Only the body is cheaper, but with the kit lens, it's a bit expensive. But I personally prefer the Sigma 60mm lens. And now I'm gonna give you a quick review of the buttons here, what kind of buttons it has. So let's start with on the top. So here we do have the onboard microphone, and also here we have our dead cat, and we can here slide this one, and that's it. We're good to go. So that this one can protect noise, especially if you're vlogging outside and if it's windy. That will protect the wind noise. So okay, for now I'll just take it out for now. And here we do have an on and off button. So here's where when we start our camera, we have our zoom rocker, we have our shutter button, the defocus button, a record button, and we have here SNQ mode, SNQ button or mode button, slow motion and quick speed button. Here we have our aperture wheel. Yeah, pretty much on the top this is what we have. And let's go on this side. On the front side we have our articulating screen. It's also touch screen. And we have our menu, we have function button, we have our scroll wheel, we have our play button, and this one is where we delete unwanted pictures or videos slash product showcase button. This is for tripod. Here you can see there's a slide here. You slide it and it pops up like that. The memory card goes in this little slot, and the battery goes to this the bigger chamber. And then we just press it. You see it locks. There's a blue lock thingy. It locks, and if we want to press, then we just do this. And yeah, it's hard to Yeah, here we go. And the same thing, if you want to take out the memory card, we just press it and then it just pops up. And yeah, and then we slide it back and done. On the left side, this is our headphone jack and a micro HDMI, and of course the USB-C port. So we can bring our charger, and here we go. Connect here and we charge our camera. And here we do have and here this is our microphone jack. This is pretty much what we have on the camera. If it's helpful, please don't forget to like the video.